Hello viewers, welcome you all to Revamp ED YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see about a PhD admission notification. So here the notification for the entrance examination is from Bharathidasan University, Trichirappalli. The campus is located out of the city of Trichy. So here there is an important notification that we have to notice those who obtained MPhil and then UGC NET set. Those who are qualified, they need not to write the entrance examination. And here the entrance examination is for both full-time part-time PhD courses as well as in the university department and affiliated colleges and other research institute also it is applicable. So after qualifying this entrance examination you can enroll in different universities. If you have already qualified UGC NET or FL set or GATE, you can directly go to the research management section in the university website that you can directly apply for enrollment of PhD. So here we have different faculties. Let's see the arts. So here the courses are economics, education technology, adult education, lifelong learning, history, human resource management, philosophy, physical education, yoga, social work, sociology, women studies. So here education have a star that you should have completed your master's MA in education or else you need to have MEd. And then here we have science. It's biochemistry, bioinformatics, biomedical science, biotechnology, microbial biotechnology, marine biotechnology, environmental biotechnology, botany, plant science. Then you can see that plant biotechnology, chemistry, industrial chemistry, computer science, computer application, embedded system, information technology, information science, then geology, applied geology, hotel management and catering science, library and information science, marine science, mathematics, applied mathematics, microbiology, physics, electronics, nanotechnology, rehabilitation science, remote sensing, geoinformatics, statistics, zoology, animal science, wildlife biology, visual communication or media. You can see that the language courses here we have Arabic, English, French, Sanskrit and Tamil. In commerce we have commerce, cooperation and then management all there. So here comes the eligibility criteria. Students those who all are qualified PG degree based on the regular pattern they can apply for the entrance examination, and for SC, ST, OBC and person with disability have to secure 50% of mark in their PG, and then for all other categories it's 55% marks. So you can see that they have given the online link in the description box. I will give the online link also. So the before 31st January you have to apply, so the time is by 11:59 p.m. you can apply till that. The application fees for SC ST is 708, and then for other category it is 1180 including 18% of the GST. So the pattern of exam will be 100 multiple choice questions. It will be objective type only. So you can see that they have mentioned that the syllabus will be based on PG subject of Bharathidasan University. So you can get the syllabus in the website itself. Do subscribe to Revamp ED YouTube channel to get more admission notifications. Comment your doubts so that we will make next video on the particular comments. Thank you.